In this tutorial video, I will demonstrate the comprehensive process of installing and configuring an OpenVPN server on a Windows computer. Setting up the OpenVPN server allows you to remotely access shared files and ensures secure internet traffic, particularly useful when connected to public Wi-Fi or while traveling. Although the setup process may seem extensive, careful following of each step will lead to successful implementation. To begin, open your browser and navigate to the OpenVPN download page. Download the Windows 64-bit MSI installer package and run the installer. During installation, choose the Customize option to install additional items for the VPN server. Specifically, select the entire feature for the OpenSSL utilities and proceed with the installation. Once installed, open the Services app, locate the OpenVPN service, set the startup type to manual, and stop the service. Find the routing and remote access service, set the startup type to automatic, and start the service. This completes the installation of OpenVPN on your computer. The next step involves generating certificates and keys for both the server and clients. Open the command prompt as an administrator and execute a series of commands to initiate the public key infrastructure, PKI, directory, create the root certificate file, CA, generate certificates and key files for the server, and create Diffie-Hellman parameters for added security. Exit the Easy RSA interface after generating all the required files. To enhance VPN server protection, generate a TLS key using a specific command. Save the generated ta.key file in the Easy RSA folder. Now, create a server configuration file by copying the provided text into Notepad, making adjustments as needed, and saving the file as server.ovpn. Place this file in the configuration folder within the OpenVPN directory. With the OpenVPN server configured, the next steps involve ensuring external access. Allow the OpenVPN connection through the Windows firewall by opening UDP port 1194. For file sharing over the Internet, open TCP port 445. Implement port forwarding in your router, assign a static IP address to your computer, and configure the router's web interface accordingly. For routing client Internet traffic through the VPN server, enable Internet connection sharing in the server computer. Connect the Ethernet or Wi-Fi adapter to the OpenVPN tap adapter, configure sharing settings, and enable the IP-enabled router option in the registry. To connect to the VPN server, launch the OpenVPN GUI as an administrator and connect. The assigned IP address of the VPN server will be displayed. The subsequent steps involve connecting a client device to the VPN server. Create a folder on the client desktop, copy necessary files from the server computer, and create a configuration file for the OpenVPN client. Share a folder from the server computer over the network, and configure the client device using the OpenVPN Connect app. Finally, demonstrate how to connect the OpenVPN client on another computer or mobile device. Confirm successful connection, check the client's IP address, and ensure the ability to ping the server and client from each other. Troubleshoot any connectivity issues by temporarily disabling the Windows Defender firewall.